Time for tonight's House of Pizza show is brought to you by Two Cars House of Pizza. Get to know who are our pizza artists this evening.
For us today, I have Marcel and Oliver, and they're here with the birthday group, the birthday boy Logan over there in the corner. He's turning 13, right? 13 years old. All right, guys, now you know the rules. You're going to run back to your side, grab your ingredient, put it back on the pizza. You've got 4 different ingredients. Once you've completed your pizza, you've got the basketball, and you make a shot. First one to complete all the steps wins a pizza courtesy of Two Cars House of Pizza. Are you guys ready? All right, on your mark, get set, go! Come on, guys, let's cheer them on!
Because we're already 45 seconds into it before we started the promotion.
Looks pretty easy so far.
Good thing these kids are fast.
So I would pick the young ones.
Wow, they're dead on. Come on, it's gonna move a little faster, guys. They're on their last ingredient. Oliver's got the cheese.
Better make layups quickly.
Grab the ball.